Let's do a quick squishy tour. We're going to start off with my Neatos, and they're all just standing on this little stand right here. That was from my locker last year. Okay, let me get it and show you guys. Oof, can't sit like in between. Oh my god, I can sit right here on my lap. Okay, as you can tell, they're just sitting on my lap right here. But here's the first one. The first one we have the Neato Fuzzball. This one is the Flower Power one. So it's very satisfying. I'm going to be rushing through this. Next, I have the Dr. Pepper Neato. Next, I have just this regular Nice Cube, as well as I have this like fake Neato dupe Nice Cube. Next, we just have this like glitter sugar ball. We have the Neato Shaggy. This is my least favorite Neato. It's the Atomic Neato. Next, we have the Neato Sploot Splat, as well as the Hot Pink Pig and the Purple Pup. We have the Neato Hot Shots, where there's a basketball, football, soccer ball, and baseball. We have this like blue mini Neato ball, as well as this donut hole. I have 3 different hearts, but I can't find the purple one right now. So we have the pink one, the blue one, and then the purple one. Next, we have these Neato hearts. These 2 have air in them, and then this one doesn't. That was all my Neatos. Now we're on to my Jumbos. Next, we have this Jumbo 6-7 butter. Then we have Gerald, aka my giant duck. Then we have Beyonce. Don't mind these names. Me and my friend made them up. Then we have my giant butter. Then we have my giant slow rise butter. Next, my food squishies. We have this crusty sheen butter that I put nail polish on. It's for like wax cracking, and it still kind of works. Then we have my brand new one that's also kind of ruined. We have my sand pepper, my sand pickle, and my mini squeezy strawberry. Next, my real and fake dumplings. These used to blow a bubble when it popped, and as you can tell, it's very fake. 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 Real. Fake. Real. 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 Okay, I'm going to show you the rest of my squishies. Heart Tabas, this creamy milk ball. These are like the Target branded Neatos, like the Diamond Squish. Globble. Another one, and my last one. Bucky, Stitch, Slow Rise Squishmallow, and a bunch of homemade ones. Alright, bye guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys and hope you guys have an amazing day. Don't forget to like and subscribe.